and thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget and also rate when I upload a new video. Okay guys, what do I have to talk about today? Nothing really much. Just want to talk about what you have requested for, and also Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar, what are we in? We are in a consolidation station right now. No progression, no real progression. But what are we looking for? For me, I'm looking for this impulse, this correction to the upside, an impulse, then the next correction, then looking for the next impulse. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what we are looking at. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? We have this controlled consolidation on the current price action. We have this, and then we are looking for this one for the next entry opportunities. And let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, what do we have? We don't have anything really. What we do have is just this ascending channel within an ascending channel, giving us a clear movement to the downside. But what do I really like to see? I want to see something like this. Like, I don't know whether you guys might understand. Something like in this form. Okay, and see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm looking for a double top here around these areas to push price back down, right? That's what I'm looking for. So that is what is my thought process on Kiwi dollar. And let's go to NASDAQ, the pair that you requested for. So NASDAQ, let's go. So on NASDAQ, I don't actually really trade NASDAQ, okay? I've not involved myself into NASDAQ. I will, but that will be in the future, right? So for me to trade NASDAQ, I need to meet some requirements about you guys, but for my side, I need to meet some requirements. Okay, so on NASDAQ, you can see how price has been going. It has been going all the way up, and we are still looking for the next up again. So let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I had this last week. I was looking at it actually, but I don't trade it. I don't trade it. We had an impulse to the downside, and then I saw this correction. Though I didn't post this for those who trade NASDAQ, I just didn't want to maybe be a liar and something. So we have an impulse, correction, the next impulse, then correction, then the next impulse, correction, and this correction all the way down. So let's go to the current price action on NASDAQ. I don't want to keep long on this particular pair because there is nothing that we really need to look at. So you can see, what do we always want to see? Want to see an impulse, correction, then the next impulse, for the next correction, for the next push down. For me, I am looking for a downside movement all the way to this area, okay? But what do you want to see before we get to the downside? So let's go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, I would like to see up to these areas. I want to see price to go here, then I want to see price then come down, okay? But what can happen? Price can just come here, then come down one more time, then start pushing all the way up. That is what would have been more nice for entries for those who trade NASDAQ, okay? That's what can happen. But price structure, so you can just put your trend line over here and look for a double bottom to take the entry. And if you're somebody who trade with zones, you can just say, okay, this is a zone. You can call this area a zone, and also call this area the next zone, okay? So that when price breaks, so you can wait for price to break and retest, then you go for the next upward. Break and retest, then you take this to the downside. But as a Falcon trader, I don't need it to break and retest. I always want to like something like this, a correction, a flag, definitely, then a push up. Break, a correction, a flag, definitely, then a push down. Okay, I don't want someone to tell me what he knows. I already know what I know. Okay, so that's it on NASDAQ, and I thank you guys for